Hi, in this project, we will be building a machine learning model that can predict the gender from voice attribute analysis, that is, from our voice dataset. So let's move forward. Now, the first thing that you might ask is what is actually we are doing? So we have a dataset containing attributes related to voice, and through that, we are training a model that can predict if the voice belongs to a female or a male. In this project, even before we start coding, you have to understand about the data. The data is showcasing the physical attributes of voice through which we are making our predictions. Now, the classes for predictions are male and female only. I know some might raise objection, especially at the Pride month or the month of June, but it is what it is. And this is the dataset I had, which had only two categories, that is female and male. So for now, let's just bear with it. So now next we go forward and see the details for the project. Now first part is building a machine learning model to predict if the voice belongs to either of the classes. The second is we build a web app on Django to mount the prediction model. And the last is we deploy the Django project, or I would say the web application, on Heroku through GitHub. So building the machine learning model. We start off with building two machine learning models actually, a SVC and a random forest classifier model, and train both of these models using the voice data points or the dataset. The second part is where we will be building a web application that is on framework Django. Now we mount the model we built in the previous part of the Django project. Now this is the last part where we will be deploying the Django application on Heroku using the connections to GitHub. So now let's hop on to the first part of the project, that is creating the machine learning model.